Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the JBL PartyBox Stage 320, a powerhouse Bluetooth speaker designed to elevate your parties. We'll explore its design, sound quality, features, and overall performance to see if it's worth your consideration. Let's start with the design. The PartyBox Stage 320 is a beast, both in size and build. It features a robust, wheelie-style construction with a retractable handle, making it somewhat portable despite its hefty weight. The design is geared towards being the centerpiece of any party, with vibrant LED lights that pulsate to the beat and create an energetic atmosphere. Moving on to controls and connectivity, this speaker doesn't disappoint. It offers a range of physical controls on top, including volume adjustments, playback settings, and even light pattern selection. There are also inputs for microphones and guitars, perfect for karaoke sessions or live performances. Bluetooth 5.4 ensures reliable wireless connectivity. And the JBL PartyBox app expands functionality with additional customization options for lights and sound effects. Now, let's talk about sound quality. The PartyBox Stage 320 delivers impressive audio performance with deep, booming bass that's ideal for pumping up the crowd. Vocals remain clear and crisp, even at high volumes, though there's a tendency for the sound to get slightly harsh when pushed to its limits. Overall, it handles a variety of music genres well, from bass-heavy tracks to more nuanced acoustic pieces. In terms of battery life, JBL promises up to 18 hours of playtime on a full charge. In real-world testing, it held up well, maintaining around 75% charge after 5 hours of moderate use with lights activated. Recharging takes about 3 hours, which is reasonable considering the battery capacity and power output. So, should you consider the JBL PartyBox Stage 320? Well, if you frequently host large gatherings or events where music is central to the experience, this speaker offers a compelling package. It's designed to deliver powerful sound with added flair from its light show and effects. However, its size and weight might be overkill for casual users or smaller settings. If portability is a concern, alternatives like the JBL PartyBox Club 120 might be more suitable. To wrap it up, the JBL PartyBox Stage 320 is a party animal that lives up to its name. It blends robust build quality with impressive audio performance, and a feature-rich design that caters to music enthusiasts and entertainers alike. Just be mindful of its size and price, as it's definitely an investment geared towards serious party hosts or DJs. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and product insights from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep rocking those beats.